welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw an apple core. So let's begin. Here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the apple core. I'm starting with its stem. And now I'm drawing some left apple in both sides. Let's draw two seeds. Okay, and now I'm using my pink highlighter pen to create a lighter shade. And now I'm using red. I'm using brown in its stem and seeds. It's already looking fine, but I'm using a little bit of black to make it sharper. And now I'm using my yellow color pen. Finally, I'm using a yellow-green color. Wow, it's looking amazing! And this is how you can draw an apple core within a few minutes.